In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for scheduling. If you've been looking for an efficient way to organize your tasks and schedule like a pro, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage Monday.com's powerful tools to streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. To start, open your favorite web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. You'll notice a login button prominently displayed at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be guided to the login page. Here, you have the option to log in using several methods, but today we're going to focus on using Google. Look for the Google login option and click on it. A selection of your Google accounts may appear, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Choose the account associated with your Monday.com profile. This quick login method is secure and often simplifies the login process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Monday.com dashboard. Next up, it's time to add a new board. Do this by locating and clicking on the plus icon. This is where you'll start building your new schedule. After clicking, you'll want to find the Template Center, which hosts a wide variety of pre-designed templates to help you get started more quickly and effectively. In the Template Center, there's a search bar located conveniently at the top. Go ahead and type in schedule. You'll see a list of templates pop up, but what you're looking for is the work schedule template. This template is one of the many resources that Monday.com provides to help structure and visualize your work week efficiently. Once you've found the work schedule, click on it to open a preview. From here, you'll see the Use Template button, usually situated on the right side of the screen. Clicking Use Template will seamlessly integrate the schedule template into your workspace, allowing you to start customizing it according to your needs. With the template now added to your workspace, make your way to the sample board to see the full picture. The sample board is a great place to start experimenting with different ways to structure your schedule. Familiarize yourself with the columns, groupings, and tasks within the board, and begin adjusting them to fit the specific needs of your projects or team. And there you have it. With just these straightforward steps, you've effectively set up a scheduling tool on Monday.com. Remember, the key to great productivity is not only setting goals, but also efficiently managing your time and tasks. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.